Uh-huh. Yeah, right there. You feel that?
Mm-hmm.
Take a deep breath in and out. Wow. That was good.
Mm-hmm.
You have a lot of tension in your shoulders.
Yeah, I feel that.
Breathe in and out. Wow, that's beautiful. All right, go ahead and lie face down for me.
All right. Oh,
No,
sorry.
you're good. You're good. I got it. Good. Breathe in and out. There we
Oh, that
go.
was really good.
Yeah. Think your best adjustment so
I
far?
think that was.
Right?
I think so.
Okay, so I'm going to have you lay on your left side. I'm going to bend this leg up this way. Slide. Pull your hair. All right, take a deep breath in and out. There we go. All right. Excellent.